Good morning, guys. We are going to be working on practice and homework 13.1, and we are going to be focusing on perimeter. Remember, perimeter is when you plus the pathways around. So we're going to be adding the outside numbers. So most of us do not have the worksheet for us, so let's grab a regular piece of paper. As always, I really do need your name up on the top, along with 13.1. And today we're going to be doing perimeter. And we need to remember that we're going to add or plus so that it goes with the P. So number 1, we have a rectangle. And the rectangle says that it's 9 inches by 3 inches. And we have to figure out what the other sides of the rectangle are. And we learned about shapes earlier, that a rectangle has 2 equal sides. So 3 is going to be equal to the other side across from it, and 9 is going to be the top. So we can go ahead and go 9 plus 9 equals 18, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. And we add 18 plus 6, and we get 24. Number 2, we have a square. If you remember, a square has 4 equal sides with 4 right angles. So we have 8 on the right-hand side, and we have 8 on the bottom. But that also means that we have 8 on the left-hand side and 8 on the top. So we can add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or most of us will go, there's 4 eighths, so 8 times 4 gives us 32. Number 3, we have a rectangle, and our rectangle is 10 on the bottom and 12 on the right. And since we have a rectangle, we know that the top and the bottom are the same, so 10 on the top, and the left and the right are the same, so 12 on the left. So we have our 12 plus 12 giving us 24, and 10 plus 10 giving us 20. 24 plus 20 gives us 44. Number 4, we have our word problem. Troy is making a flag shaped like a square. So I'm going to draw a square. And if I remember right, a square has 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Each side is 12 inches. So 12 by 12 and 12 and 12. So we have 12 on all 4 sides. He wants to add a ribbon along the edge. He has 36 inches of ribbon. Does he have enough ribbon? So we need to find out the perimeter. So that 4 times 12. So some of us still do box method of 4 times 10 and 4 times 2. Some of us have memorized our 12s. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 12 gives us 48. They want us to compare our 48 perimeter compared to the ribbon that he has, and his ribbon is 36. 48 is greater than 36, so he does not have enough ribbon. He does not have enough ribbon. Okay. 2 more, we've got this. Number 5. It says the width of an OCHA community pool is 20. So our fatness is 20. Okay. And our length is twice as long as our width. So I know that my two widths are both 20, and I know that this is 2 times 20. So 2 times 20 will give me 40. So I now know that my length is 40 and 40. So 40 plus 40 gives me 80, and 20 plus 20 gives me 40. We're looking at 120. Number 6, I used most of my space over there, so I'll go 6 down below. It says, imagine you want to put a border around a rectangular room. So my left and my right are shorter than my top and my bottom in a normal rectangle. Summarize the steps you would use to find the length of the border needed. So I would need to know what the length is and what the width is. Right? And then you can double both the length and the width, or you can add them together. Length plus length, and then width plus width. And then as always, those two added together. Beautiful job, you guys. When you are done with 13.1, please make sure you take a picture of this and send it to me, and then log in to Galileo and take your 13.1 quiz. If you're doing it on a paper packet, please go ahead and take a picture of 13.1 practice and homework. And then you will see now there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A, B, C, D next to it. Go ahead and have them complete the assignment. And then you just need to take a picture of the 1 through 5, A, B, C, D, so that I can put in your scores for you. Thanks, guys.